Hey everyone, it's Tanner here again from Victoria Hyundai, and today I want to show you how to use the Bluelink app. So what this app does, it allows you to stop your vehicle, change the climate control. If you forget where your car is, it actually knows the location as well. You set a parking meter somewhere in town, you can actually enter for when the parking meter is up, and in the app it'll remind you so you don't end up overpaying. So it's a really handy app that comes with the vehicle for 3 years. It's a 3-month free subscription. So I'll just show you the app here on your phone. So it looks like this. Very nice looking app. I'll show you the demo mode. So all that you would do once your vehicle is registered in the system, Bluelink will be sending you an email. You'll enter that once you're inside the vehicle. Let's go with the Elantra here. So here you can see you can stop the vehicle, you can lock it, unlock, sign the horns, and you can actually look for any dealers in your location. So you find your vehicle, you have roadside assistance, and vehicle health status. So if anything happens to your vehicle, you need some updates, maybe go to service, it'll give you a notification there as well. Again, it's Tanner here from Victoria Hyundai. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to call me up at the dealership here. I'd be more than happy to help. See you next time. And again, it's Tanner here from Victoria Hyundai. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to call me up at the dealership here. I'd be more than happy to help. See you next time.